short video today, I promise. I've purchased this little Cub Cadet because I've taken over the lawn mowing here at this campground I'm hosting. And there's a lot of grass to cut around here. I hope I'm not making you dizzy moving this all around. It goes quite a ways over there, all the way out to the highway you can't see. But anyway, this came with a cup holder here in this little area. And up front there's a little spot there. And I was happy with that until one day I was mowing and my mosquito net, which I didn't have on obviously, fell out of this little holder up front and my lawnmower shredded it. Luckily when I bought this it came with two. It's actually not mosquitoes that bother me so much, but you know those gnats try to get in your eyes for some reason. They love the moisture there. So I wanted to solve that problem. And I noticed these two holes here. So what I'm going to do, sorry about the finger, what I'm going to do is put these two L brackets on here, one on each side. And then I'm going to put this little ammo box on there. And this is weatherproof. It's the cheap one from Walmart. It was $7 and some change by the time I paid tax on it. I actually looked at the metal one. They had a 50 caliber there that I mean, the thing was just heavier than I wanted it to be. It was larger, but it was really heavy. So I decided on that little plastic one. So let's get to work on this project. Okay, so I have those two L brackets on there. I used that machine screw, they're calling it, a washer, lock washer, and of course a nut. And I haven't tightened those up real tight yet because I want it to be a little bit loose so I can mark where I'm going to drill a hole in my ammo box. Now I'm putting this on here as far that way as I can because I always get down on this side to hook my little trailer up. I'm marking this for some drill holes. There. Now I can drill the holes in this. There, two good holes. There we go. I just wanted to show you I'm using some real big washers on the inside of this. Just to give a little more support to that plastic. And I'm going to use a couple of lock washers and of course the nuts. So I'm going to get those screwed up for you. Okay, now all we have to do is tighten this up. Have to get some short stuff to get in there. I don't want to get that so tight I break that plastic. There we go. Now that shouldn't rattle loose. I still have to tighten up this bottom, but I wanted to show you one other thing here. This little tool has came in handy to me a lot of times, and what this was one of those screwdrivers. This had a handle on it, and there was a screw end to there, and it kept extra bits in it. But that lid for that thing cracked and broke up, so I busted the rest of that plastic off of there and kept that tool, and this came in handy a lot of times when you needed an extension. Just a little extra bonus. So now all I have to do is tighten up that bottom, and I have some secure storage for my gnat thing and my gloves, and if the person wanted to, they could throw in some bug spray in there. When I find out what kind of tools I need to work on this thing, like changing lawnmower blades and stuff, I might make me up a little thing of tools that I use so that they can be handy for the lawnmower. So anyway, I hope that helps somebody do something, because I'm really going to enjoy having that on there. Okay, that's it for the day. Hope you enjoyed.